I'm that blue white bitch on Depop, chillin' teapot, two left feet and Reebok. Shawty Hello! So we have made some edibles merch. This will be the YouTube video of the launch prep for the Eat Edibles launch event.
But this will also include my basement.
That will be a different video, basement video. This is gonna be the launch event video. And now I will show you the edibles merch. To begin with, we thought that we'll do some brand merch, but which won't be just like a brand name merch, but something which you can wear. So, sorry. Woo! Hot girls eat edibles. Wait. Hot girls love some edibles. And look, the small mascot is also here. Mascot. Yeah. Shout out to.
This is for Samay Raina types. Integration.
So my friend from school named Priyanka, she helped us out to get like really good quality t-shirt
Clean
also,
designs.
and really design was what I made, but
Okay,
really
print.
good print.
Yeah.
So really nice and in good price. So first of all, we were gonna do a very separate, longer procedure, which we almost did, and then afterwards we canned that plan, which was that we ordered from Amazon plain t-shirts, and it was polyester 100%, and the quality of t-shirts were also not nice. After ordering that, we were gonna go and print it out, whatever design we want on it. So it was like two different costs and everything, but this, we've done 4 white prints and 4 black prints. Black will be back prints. Wow. And white are front prints. This is it.
Looks illegal, no?
I have a minor edibles problem. I've designed it. I'm confused which one I should keep for myself. Hot girls love some edibles, or this one, which this was the message which I sent to everyone while inviting them for our launch event. Stay sexy, touch grass, eat edibles, fly high. मस्त है ना?
Oh. Which size is this?
This is
M?
L.
L.
Wow! Stay sexy, touch grass.
Eat edibles, fly high.
Eat edibles, fly high.
मावशी विचार करते काय करते तू?
Clock
Yay,
it.
clock
I've also done my nails for the product shoot. Look at it.
इतना लंबा भी नहीं. हाँ. Our journey starts from today for Eat Edibles.
Today we are going to Nasik.
We are going back to the Nasik city.
Corrected your English. Today is 12th July and we have our event on 17th July. So I will share more of the details of how we are doing the prep. So that's why I had to come to Nasik. Swamped with the work because as per our plan, nothing worked out in our favor. Our products are still not here. It's actually on the way. And it's kind of overstimulating because we have to still shoot it, we still have to edit it. So like here's the plan that today we're in Nasik, our products are gonna come, we're gonna take those products, we're gonna shoot, make a show reel, do everything related to the event and for the website, click everything, get all the content. And tomorrow we're going to head to Mumbai, and on the way I will update the website, make the show reel, do all the edits and everything. And then on 16th, we're gonna check in to a place. Then on 16th, we're going to prep everything. We're gonna keep all our stuff, make all the goodies, hampers, and bags. and then 17th we have to, 16th we also have to go to the event space, plan out the rest of the things, and also figure out the drinks and everything, what we are doing, the edibles collaborated drinks with Bombay Adda. And then on 17th we again have to in the afternoon go prep everything for the event, go back, change, get ready, come back, and begin the event, and hopefully go live with the website with everything functional and everything nice. But I'm just constantly keeping that in my mind and head that make it first, make it better later, make it first, make it better later. But I just wanted everything to come in a flow which we decide. But the world doesn't revolve around you, and sometimes people delay and things delay and can't really help. But let's go. Right now, I am mood boarding for the products, the photo shoot we have to do. Had no idea because it's so back to back, and maybe this is the good pressure. Diamonds are made under pressure. But okay, I'll take you through the rest of the things. First drink, eat edibles. Ah! It's paperboat prebiotic soda.
Felt so much better.
Yeah, amazing. Next. Huh. Next. Oh, you know where are we? Rushi has been here already, but I haven't. This is our office space. This is where the eat edibles boxes are going to be.
Hey, matches.
See, this is a YouTube video. Say, speak about the boxes and how you have struggled to get it here. And
So
finally, we are at the basement.
getting these boxes was the biggest struggle in my entire life, I guess. I relied on my dad's contact, though my dad is very reliable, but I relied on the contacts which I shouldn't. And they ended up getting the material which was loaded on Saturday today. So, and today is Tuesday, है ना? Today's Tuesday. तो इतना समय लगा है गाइस ये सामान लाने. अब हमारे पास और 30 kgs है which needs to come to the basement. Ro is only happy because the basement is looking good and nice. But it's just the struggle behind it. I know it now. Come on, let's light the thing.
Happy.
Come on.
Yay!
This is small celebration of ours to the big future.
एवढी भारी सिंगर आहे ना
अच्छा ती
दाखवली ना video? दाखवली का
We are going to Mumbai. I'm so sleep deprived, but today is the 15th, and on the 16th we are going to go to our event place, set everything up. Actually, there's a lot of things, but it's just not on top of my mind. You know, like everything is on top of my mind. That's why maybe I'm not able to list it down as per priority. But right now, we're just gonna travel back, go back, go home. We got our little bit video shoot done, little bit only because
I got so scared. Whom are you even speaking to?
my co-founder.
No way.
इसीलिए तुम्हारा पराठे नहीं खा.
Must hai, you liked it?
Rishi and I had a tiff, so
Yeah.
then the video wasn't completed. But now we'll have to just do. So this is 1T minus 1 day, which is 16th.
T
T minus 1 day is the day, sort of. I
The
think.
D day.
D-Day sort of, मतलब
Yeah.
whichever the day is,
Acha.
उसके हिसाब so team I think this is my assumption. I have not googled it. Oh shit, my notes app is there. Guys, that's why you should carry a physical notebook to write all your notes.
I
You can
have.
tell your notes.
Yes, we did get the colored stickers for the game. We have to get dips. We have to get white balloons. We have to get mugshot printed, envelopes and clues printed, hamper creation, product filling in pouches, get cardboard bags from APMC.
ऐसा कलर क्यों है? Yeah.
So in all of these, I think we have just completed the sticker thingy because we had to blanket it. We'll get the dips as well.
For the game, with treasure hunt, the dealer's heist, we're gonna do
40 envelopes.
40 envelopes. That too, it was A4 size. Then we cut it in square and then we made envelopes.
By
We
folding
could have
the-
bought the envelopes, but it was just cost, which we thought we are saving. But we wasted our time.
हाँ, रख दो.
Thank you, bhaiya.
Thank you.
If you have an event a day prior, what all you're not supposed to do because it's very last minute things, make a show reel, which I have to still make. I've made few videos, but I've not edited it really well for a show reel for the event. And I don't even know if we're gonna play it or where are we gonna play it or would we get the time to play it. But maybe something which just goes in the background. Box, SKU, copy and images. So I have to add in the website the SKU and everything, write the copy for it. What is the SKU, like box of 6, box of 2 and everything. And recheck everything, whatever. Because everything else is connected. If you just come on the website, of course it's gonna work. But we want all the options to be correctly placed, which are not there right now. Only individual packs have been placed there, so that's the thing. Everything else was very timely, due diligently done. Then design inmate mugshot cardboard pop. I have designed it, and we also have to get the cardboard so that we'll cut. You have the cutter now.
Yeah.
Cut, and then it will be a photograph of inmate. I will place the image here. Stay strong. Things will not be in your favor. I'm saying to myself because I keep crying.
Patience is the key. We have picked try between mango and pineapple now.
Okay. What? This please. We're gonna try. Two o'clock, so T minus maybe 10 10 hours to go. Why are you laughing?
So random.
But that is what you have to capture the true moments. That it's like 2:17 a.m. and our friends have also slept, who have helped us make these bags. Yeah. And see, there are like stuff also everywhere. And we're like still making the clues for the treasure hunt. So imagine tomorrow we have to wake up early, go to the place.
The place is gonna get start at 5.
Amped up. Yeah, and the place is gonna get started at 5 o'clock. So maybe before that we can finish all our other stuff too and get ready and go there. We have to get ready only and go there. We can't come back again. So we'll update you tomorrow. But by the way, we are done with sticking the stickers. The board is printed, done. The mugshot board is also done. The stash table, everything is done. We just have to now set everything up and fill the package tomorrow for our miniatures. Ruchi, क्यों हो रहा हो ये?
Wide open करें ना.
ये मानस तो पूरा डीलर लग रहा है.
कौन सा वीडियो?
Tada, bye bye. See you next video where all this prep leads to the launch event.
This all.
This is the next to next.